Now, remember back in elementary school and middle school, when you get nervous, you'd sit there and you chew on your pencil, right? Well, they didn't taste all that good. I wonder what happens if they would taste any better if you put them in the microwave. Do you want to find out?
Yes. Just make sure we have a crayon, pens, and a marker. And this one is special because it has soap in there.
We have every single writing utensil you could have that you would chew on during school.
Why you would chew on a marker, I have no idea, but hey, maybe you like
cap.
Maybe you like it. Who knows? You're a freaky little kid. It don't matter. Okay. 3 minutes and 52 seconds.
3 minutes and 52.
52. It's random.
That's other stuff going off.
We hope. I'm surprised the pencil hasn't done anything yet.
It's been there for like 10 seconds.
Yeah, but they usually spark like right away. You can actually kind of halfway see it. Oh well. Oh,
There's the metal in the pens.
They're starting to
Smoke.
Starting to smoke. You probably can't really see it, but that's what they're doing. Yes. Apparently, oh, the pencil, I believe, is starting to smoke too. Yeah, we do. Maybe Jory Carriage's fan wasn't that stupid after all.
Yeah, maybe his fan idea.
Oh my God! You can't even see in there because they're smoking so much now.
It smells like soy sauce.
I think it smells like wood.
I think it smells like soy sauce burning wood.
No, we did do the soy sauce today. I mean, really quick though. Yeah, that's how bad it is right now. They can't believe me.
Man, it's crazy.
Notice how you can't even see the. Oh God! Oh God! Oh God! Oh God!
Kill it.
Cutting it off. Cutting it off. Cutting it off. Oh God! Oh God!
I would say get the heck out. Get out, dude! It's black smoke, dude.
The black lung!
Wait, close it. Close the door.
Yeah, sorry about that, guys, but, you know, camera and the battery. Anyway, let's move in on the observation of the death. Oh my God, look at the pencil.
Pencil's still got some embers on it, too, so... Well, now it's just a big piece of lead.
And it's a very hot piece of lead, too. That is why Zeke wears gloves, and I should really wear mine.
Yes.
Oh, let's see here. Oh, I like
Look
that.
at the crayon.
The crayon's my favorite now. I love this one. Oh God, now it's all over me.
Nice. Now you got wax all over you. Now you can go cover them with your fingers.
This
Or you
is.
can make a candy.
See, if your parents are really cheap and they'll only buy you crayons and you want a finger paint, this is what you do. Look at that. Mmm. Yummy. It's like completely. Oh, there it is. Oh.
That's pretty cool.
That's like really cool. I like that. Look at that. That's awesome. And this, oh my God, it actually kind of writes a little bit. I know a lot because it melted.
It just sort of melted a little bit. That's about
Yeah,
it.
let me turn on. There we go. This really didn't really expand like I wanted it to. Oh well though. And oh my God, the blue pen. Like oh my God, the blue pen. Never really know where to start with the blue pen. It is completely dead.
It's bent.
Yeah, that one's dead. So is that one. But I do like the lead though. The pistol burnt off of it. Yeah, we should like just put in that randomly and see if it sparks. Cause it like burnt off of it. I want to know if it was because of that or because it just got really hot and the thing.
The lead probably got really hot and caught the wood on fire.
That's probably true. Oh well, let's put it back. I don't care. I'm bored with it now. Well.
Wait.